Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening settings on your iPhone or visiting Apple. Com on a computer, this gets you straight into account creation. Enter an email you control and a secure password that meets Apple's requirements, because that becomes your Apple ID and access key. Once done, add your phone number for verification and choose security questions if prompted. These protect you later. Make sure to read the short privacy prompts and agree to terms so the process continues smoothly. Now verify your email and phone. Apple sends codes that you must enter to prove ownership, so check spam if you don't see them. After verification, enable two-factor authentication. This prevents unauthorized access and links trusted devices for quick approvals. Next, add a recovery email or rescue phone and fill billing info if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions. This saves time later. Also review family sharing or iCloud settings so services behave the way you expect. Finish by signing into the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime so your data syncs across devices. Doing this confirms your Apple ID works everywhere. Once signed in, test two-factor by approving a sign and request from a trusted device to verify notifications and codes appear. If anything fails, don't panic. Use the reset password option or start account recovery from Apple.com, and keep your recovery phone and email handy. One key tip: if codes don't arrive, check device time settings and network connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.